learn Please Santa Please. It's choreographed by Lacey Key. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, absolute beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Please Santa Please. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do right and left forward diagonal step touches. So you're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal, touch your left next to your right. Step your left foot forward into the left diagonal, touch your right next to your left. And then we're going to repeat that, stepping our right foot into the diagonal, touch your left next to your right. Step your left foot into the diagonal, touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your step touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to take our right heel, place it forward, touch your right next to your left, step your right foot to the right side, and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to take our left heel, place it forward, touch your left next to your right, step your left foot to the left side, and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left doing your heel touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a K-step with claps. So you're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal, touch your left next to your right, and clap your hands. You're going to step your left foot back where we just came from, touch your right next to your left, and clap your hands. We're going to step our right foot back into the right back diagonal, touch your left next to your right, clap your hands. Step your left foot forward where we just came from, touch your right next to your left, and clap your hands. So when you're doing that touch, your clap is happening at the same time. So let's try it with some counts doing your K-step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do turning rocking chairs. So you're going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left. You're going to make an eighth of a turn over your left shoulder, rocking back with your right foot to face 10-30, and then recover onto your left. We're now going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left. You're going to make an eighth of a turn over your left shoulder, rocking back with your right foot, and recover onto your left to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your step touches. So it's right touch, left touch, right touch, left touch, heel touch, step touch, heel touch, step touch, K-step with claps. Now you're turning rocking chair, rock forward, recover, eighth rock back, recover, rock forward, recover, eighth rock back, recover. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on that left, starting with your step touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now your final wall will be wall 13. You will be facing 12 o'clock. You're going to dance the whole dance. However, we are going to have our rocking chairs stay facing 12 o'clock instead of making them turn. So you'll do the full 24 counts without making any changes. So let's dance up to that part, starting with your step touches. So it's right touch, left touch, right touch, left touch, heel touch, step touch, heel touch, step touch, K-step clap, back and forward. Now, right here, instead of making our rocking chair turn to do a quarter turn, we're just going to do our 2 rocking chairs staying at 12 o'clock. So we're going to rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. And then there's a little bit extra so you can kind of step to the side and end in a comfortable position if you would like. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your step touch. So it's step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, heel touch, slide touch, heel touch, step, touch, K-step. Now your rocking chair, rock forward, recover, eighth, rock back, recover, rock forward, recover, eighth, back, recover. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Diagonal step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, heel, touch, step, touch, heel, touch, step, touch, K-step. Now you're turning rocking chair, rock forward, recover, eighth, rock back, recover, rock forward, recover, eighth, rock back, recover, step, touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the very demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Please Santa Please. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.